everybody. Wanted to tell you about something I did over the long weekend. It has to do with an oven. Wonder if you can guess what I did. I'll tell you a few hints. First, I got my ingredients together. Here are some of my ingredients. This is flour. Here's another hint. My second ingredient was cocoa, that's chocolate, and baking powder. Those were some of my ingredients. I also had sugar and applesauce, and I mixed everything in a bowl. I bet you figured it out. I poured my batter into a pan and put it in a hot oven. Here's my pan inside the oven. And I set my timer so that I would know when to take my brownies out of the oven. I had to wash dishes next because I had made some dirty dishes, so here I am washing my dishes. You can see I'm wearing a yellow glove, and as you can see, I made brownies and they were delicious. I hope you got up to something really fun over the long weekend as well. Hope you're doing great. See you soon.